What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jocks. Gonna go over our friend Matic, currently sitting at 0.814, down 5.18 on the day. Sitting market cap of 6.98 billion. 24-hour volume 442 million. If you're new to Bitget, they recently partnered with Lionel Messi. You can grab up to $8,000 in bonuses. Email me your sign-up email after you make your first deposit. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Let's hop into Matic. So we are watching this bull flag falling wedge pattern. We talked about a potential bullish cross of the daily EMAs. Now we have currently broken below those EMAs. So if we were to start to break down, back down into this pattern, would invalidate a bullish cross. And I put more focus into my bearish wave count. Now we can still bounce. If we were to bounce from here, then we can still print that bullish cross and see a large breakout to the upside. The bearish wave count is that we pushed up in a WXYXZ into a wave 2. And now we're looking to come down into a wave 3 that will take you all the way down to about 44 cents. Now, if this wave count were to play out, you would have to see Bitcoin break down and sell off rather swiftly for this impulsive wave 3 to take place. There is a bullish wave count for Matic. Now we're starting to push up, and we had a very, very shallow wave 2. As I mentioned here, I thought that the wave 2 was way too shallow. So if we were to continue to break down, then you could enter into more of a more common wave 2 pullback zone, and you could still remain bullish here. But the really bullish wave count is that the wave 2 is already in very shallow wave 2 pullback, and now you started to push up in a leading diagonal into a wave 2 pullback, and now you're looking to push up into a wave 3, which of course consists of 5 waves. So the subwave count would be a 1 into a 2. We've already come down to the golden ratio. This will become less likely if we break below 74 cents. But if we were to push up from here, then your wave 3 target would be up here at about $1.09. Really what I'm watching here for Matic is to see if we can hold this bull flag, because we did break out. Or if it's a fake out, we break back down into the pattern and we invalidate the bullish cross on the daily. And then I would put more significance into my bearish count, as I do think you would come back down to this trend line here, which is all the way down here at about 0.67. However, if we do hold, if Bitcoin were to break out of this pattern to the upside and see a large push, that's when you will see Matic continue to push up to $1.08, which is the target of the falling wedge, and your bull flag target all the way up here at 163. So we'll have to see what happens here. We do have to give a little bit more bias to the bearish breakdown, as these are bearish patterns. So you have about a 30% chance of breaking to the upside and about a 70% chance of breaking down. So we'll have to see how that plays out. All right, guys, and whichever way Bitcoin goes will determine what happens here with Matic. And if we do end up breaking down, then you would target the bottom of the wedge, which is down here at about 67 cents. And you would start to see this wave count play out, in my opinion. Or we're just looking to come down into a bit of a deeper wave 2, which would make more sense to me, in my opinion, but we'll have to see how all of it plays out. All right, guys, that's it for Matic. Big shout out to the Discord, over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And if you sign up to Bitget, grab up to 8,000 in bonus, make your deposit, email me your sign up email, and I'll give you free access at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals. Sign up to the Patreon, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.